you ready to earn $755 in fast PayPal money by shortening links? Does that sound unusual to you? If yes, that's totally fine because I'm going to walk you through it in today's video. Now, I'd like you to listen and watch closely because this site is really what you're looking to generate fast PayPal cash. This is a bit different from all the other money-making sites and apps that have been flooding the internet, so please pay attention. You will not be asked to download apps or answer surveys or play games. This process can actually be treated as a business that can generate you a really decent income stream. But first things first, whether you're already a subscriber or just stumbled upon this video, I'd like to welcome all of you to the Online Money Girl channel. This is your online money girl, and I teach people all over the world the best and newest ways to earn money online, regardless of background and expertise. If you enjoy those types of content, make sure to hit like and the subscribe button if you like making fast PayPal money, as well as the notification bell to make sure that you're in the loop whenever there's a new upload. Drop a comment down below to say hi, or if you would like us to feature a specific type of online money-making gig. This process that I'm going to teach you is unlike most of the online side hustles that you commonly see online. Before I tell you the website's name, let me show you some proof that a lot of people have already been making money from this platform. Here, you'll find thousands of pages of income proof, and as you can see, the payouts are every minute. Just beside the payment proof button, you'll find the payout rates. Click that to find out more about how the payments are made and how much is the payout per country. These prices are prone to change without notice, but as of the moment, the US is the top country with a rate of $8 per 1,000 views. That's across all devices: smartphone, tablet, laptop, and desktop. Canada and the UK comes close at $7.50 and $7 respectively. What do these rates mean, you may ask? Simply put, if you get 1,000 people from the US to click your link, you'll get $8 and earn some fast PayPal money. You also get up to 15% of what your referral earns. The more friends you bring in, the more cash you rake in with very minimal effort. To sign up, simply click the sign up button where you will fill out a very simple form. Key in your desired username, it should be alphanumeric only, your valid email address, and password for this site. Next, tick the box to agree to their terms of use and hit register. You will then be directed to the dashboard that looks like this. The first thing you'll see there is the announcement board. Here, you will find updates about the payout rates and the company in general. If you scroll down a bit, you'll find an overview of your stats. That includes your views, earnings, referral earnings, and average CPM. Cost per thousand, or CPM, also called cost per mil, is a marketing term used to denote the price of 1,000 advertisement impressions on one web page. You can track it all here. As you can see, there's a simple timeline here so you can monitor your daily activities, including your earnings, views, and CPM. To shorten a link, all you need to do is click the Create Link button on the top left. A box will appear, and from there, you can paste a long URL that you want to shorten. Below that, you'll find a space where you can put an alias optionally. This will allow you to customize the shortened URL. If you don't utilize this feature, the system will automatically generate a short URL for you. Once you have created that, you can copy and paste that to wherever you desire so you can drive traffic. Which brings us to the next step. How do you drive traffic to your link? The first thing that you need to remember is that there should be a large group of people that's interested in knowing what's in that link. It can be an interesting article or website, or it can even be your own content. It doesn't matter what it is as long as you get people to click it, because that's how you get paid. However, this doesn't mean that you can spam people or groups just to trick them to click the link, because the system can detect that. Also, if you try to click the link on your own, the system will know as it recognizes the IP address of the device that clicked on your link. In short, you can't cheat your way out of this, and you have to drive organic traffic into your link. How do you do that though? Before I tell you, let's take a really quick break so you can give this video a big thumbs up if you want to make fast PayPal money, and let us know in the comments what you like most about it. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell to stay on top of the money-making trends on the internet. So now let's talk about increasing traffic. Since I'm feeling generous today, I will show you 2 ways on how to do that. The first one is by going to Herculist.com. It is an online database of people who give other members in the database permission to email them with different offers. In a nutshell, you can email other members and they can email you. Herculist.com is an all-inclusive website to advertise your online business and grow your email list. It is also an affiliate program that pays up to 50% of all sales depending on your membership level. It was launched in 2001, which means it is an established business. They offer 3 types of membership, but if you're just starting out, you can just opt for the free plan, which will allow you to send daily plain text email or web ads submitted to 1,000 members. It is a great advertising tool for anyone trying to build their business online. There's really nothing to lose since you can join for free and try it out yourself. The second option that I'm going to teach you today is by going to Shoutcart.com. You can register for free, but you need to pay in order to use their services. This is a choice you can make if you have already made a few bucks and are looking to grow your online business. Shoutcart is an influencer marketing platform with a special focus on shoutouts. Their marketplace makes it easy for brands to discover influencers and collaborate for shoutouts. It's like shopping for influencers. Browse through thousands of influencers on the website, then pick a few that best match your niche or offer. You can choose by category, audience size, follower demographics, or simply search by keyword. After picking the best influencers, add them to your cart and start creating an order. Fill out a form, pick your preferred time of shoutout, and pay for the order. After your shoutout is paid for and scheduled, you will receive the exposure you want as your influencer of choice posts your link. The only thing left for you to do is go back to exe.io. That's the website where you can shorten URLs and get paid to earn fast PayPal money. Track your earnings there and cash out through PayPal or Bitcoin. To give you a quick recap, first, sign up to exe.io, where you can earn from the traffic that you've driven to your website or any URL you choose. To increase traffic, you may go to Herculist.com to promote it to other members or hire an influencer via Shoutcart to promote your URL. This method is totally worth it once done properly. It could take a while to build an audience that would organically visit your site, but with these tools I've shared with you in this video, you will be able to build your list easier and grow your online business faster. If you've watched till the end and you're not already subscribed, be sure to triple tap that like and subscribe button as well as the notification bell if you want to learn more ways to make fast PayPal money. Drop a comment down below to let me know your experience about any of the sites I've mentioned today. Thank you so much for sticking with me till the end. As always, this is OMG saying BYE. I'll see you in the next one.